Hi friends, welcome to this video. Today I partnered with Fabfitfun to bring you guys an unboxing video. This is what the box looks like. It's a little beat up, and that's just because the postal service in my area just doesn't care. But it's what's on the inside that matters. This video is a partnership, so it is sponsored. You're about to get my first actual impression on camera, so I can't really lie because I haven't opened the box. My mom's been dying for me to open it, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna wait until I'm on camera. I promise you I have not touched this box, and that's kind of why it looks a little dusty, because it's been sitting on my floor in the corner just waiting to be opened. Now, just to give you a little background about Fabfitfun, they are a seasonal subscription service, not monthly. It is seasonal, and each box is about 50 bucks, $49.99 I believe. And for $49.99, that's really not bad considering the fact that the total value of everything in this box is like well over $200. So I'd rather pay $50 compared to $200, but that's just me. And another cool thing about Fabfitfun is a lot of the items in here, I don't know exactly what items, but I do know that a lot of the brands in here are female founded brands, so I thought that's pretty cool, you know, girl power. I have absolutely no idea what's in here, and with Fabfitfun you have the ability to either choose if you want to customize your box or if you just want it to be a surprise like I'm doing right now. So I am just gonna jump right in. I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long to open this box and it's finally here. So I'm just gonna get to it. Before I begin though, if anybody wants to follow me on any social media accounts, I have them listed here, and I will also leave them in the description box as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm so excited. Okay, Fabfitfun, if you are watching, I'm so sorry, but I'm about to destroy your box because I don't know what other way. Oh, I did it the wrong way. Wow. I'm just destroying y'all's box. My bad. Okay, so apparently you open the box this way. Okay, here we go. First impressions. I'm opening the box. This is pretty cute. The first thing is this little Fabfitfun magazine, and I guess it just talks about the different products they have. That's pretty cool. It kind of gives you an idea. Okay, so the first item I'm picking up is this makeup eraser. Oh, dope. Okay, it's a makeup eraser microfiber towel, and I don't know, you see how big it is? Like, oh my god, everything's dropping. Oh my god, and it feels so freaking soft. Like, you can kind of see how soft it is. Like, you can tell through the camera, you can tell, you know. So it says here the makeup eraser just needs water. You don't need a makeup remover or anything, so that's really dope. I'm kind of glad that this was in here. Okay, moving on. Next I have this Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This says it primes, preps, and detangles. It has biotin, vitamins B and C, and it has UV blockers, which is pretty cool. So it's good for protecting your hair. Protects up to 450 degrees of heat. So if you want to style your hair, I'm going to spray a little in my hair just to see what it smells like. Okay, so it has like a fresh scent. Like, I just washed my hair. I'm nice and soft and clean. Like, that's what I smell like right now. This smells amazing. I'm sorry, I'm not even trying to exaggerate, but this smells really good. And you know what's crazy? The smell or the fragrance is not super potent. Like, it's not strong, but I like that it's light because I don't want my hair smelling like I just poured a bottle of perfume in it. I don't like that at all. So the next item in this box is from the brand Adore. It says it's available at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and AdoreJewelry.com. This is their signature organic circle bracelet. This is what the bracelet looks like. I think it is so pretty. One thing I have to say though is when it comes to bracelets, my wrists are so small, but maybe I can even wear this as an ankle bracelet. But I have small ankles too, so I don't know. But this is still really, really pretty. I like how simple it is, like the whole simplicity of it. I love when things are like soft and dainty. I just think it's so pretty. Oh, I didn't even notice this. It has a little A at the bottom of the chain for Adore, I'm assuming. This next item is from the brand Erno, Laszlo, New York. It is an exfoliate and detox pore cleansing clay mask. See what it says on the back. It says, do more for your pores. Distressed skin calls for powerful measures. This hydrating detoxing mask is a perfect antidote to fight impurities and boost skin's natural defenses. Harnessing the natural benefits of clay, it helps remove impurities without drying, infusing moisture and nutrients into skin as it draws out the dirt and oil from pores. I love this. This looks like it would be a fragrance lotion, but it is a pore cleansing clay mask. I think the packaging is so freaking beautiful and sleek. I love that. I'm low-key obsessed with how big the damn top is. Like, do you see how big this is? This looks like a hairspray top. I have zero plans of putting this on my face right now, but I do want to see what the consistency looks like, just so I can get an idea. And you can get an idea. The mask comes out as this like really soft pink color. It looks kind of white on camera, but it's like a soft pinky, little bit of like a lavender tint to it. So I of course can't try it on my skin right now, but I am excited to try it out. Actually, I can try this out tonight because I'm going to Lewis's house, and sometimes after I take a shower I want to do a face mask, and normally we'll do like a hydrating one together, so maybe he'll want to do this with me. Awesome. All right, so the next item in the box says, guess what, you'll be naked in 1 minute. I'm here for it. So it says here it's the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. This is what the packaging looks like. I just don't know how I would store this in my shower. Oh look, okay, it says right here, reseal my waterproof bag, keep me in the shower, rinse your body. Okay, so this is waterproof and it could be kept in the shower. That's definitely good, because I was like, how the hell am I gonna leave this in the shower? It says here to use this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Ingredients include Robusta coffee, which is good for stimulating collagen and tones your skin. Almond oil, which is good for hydrating and improves appearance. Vitamin E, which fades scars and dark marks and all that. And then there's also sea salt in here, which fights breakouts and bacteria. And look at this little booty. This little booty. I was actually just talking to my mom about trying out some more scrubs, because I think I only use one at the moment, but I've been wanting to try different like bath products, because I used to be obsessed with scrubs and lotions and creams and all of that, and I think once I moved here, like moved to the new house, I don't know, I kind of just like went out the window, and I'm trying to bring that back. So I'm glad that that's in here, because I'm definitely gonna be putting this to use. Okay, so the next thing in here is from the brand Cuccio? I hope it's not Cuccio, but Cuccio Somatology. But it is their Yoga Calm & Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Okay, so right off the back, I'm not loving the smell. It's not a bad smell, it's just I'm not in love with it. It has Epsom salt in it, and Epsom salt is good for making, let's see, it says muscles feel reinvigorated and re-energized after the most intensive workouts. Okay, maybe I'll only use this after like the gym. The combination of pro vitamin B5 and shea butter helps keep your skin feeling moisturized post shower. Enjoy the soothing essential oil blend of lavender oil to help wash away stress and worry from the day, leaving the mind, body, and spirit extremely calm, renewed, and restored. That's pretty cool. No wonder it's called Yoga. I'm still gonna try to use it after I go to the gym, because I just definitely want to see the difference it makes and how I feel, because I do work out, not as often as I did, but I do work out. Okay, so I'm excited to try this. I'm not in love with the smell, but I'm still excited to try like how it makes me feel after the shower, especially after the gym and all that. So, and who knows, if I don't love it, then maybe my mom would like it. That's one thing I gotta say. My mom is always down to try whatever I don't like, and vice versa. So it's good. It's good that I still live with my mom. So the next 2 items in here are actually a shampoo and conditioner. They are from the brand R+Co. I'm not entirely sure, but it is their Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. They are both paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, mineral oil-free, vegan, all of that stuff that everyone loves nowadays. It says that these 2 products are good for giving your hair body, shine, strengthens, and softens your hair and smooths your hair. I'm not the biggest fan of trying out different shampoos, only because I have a dry scalp, but who knows, this might be compatible with my dry scalp. I'll give this a try next week, see how they smell. Ooh. Just gonna use my makeup eraser. Yeah, they smell really good. Okay, so I think we've come down to the last item in the box, and that is just the Beauty Bakerie Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I've actually heard about Beauty Bakerie, but not enough to have like an actual opinion about them. Hold on. So this is what the palette looks like. That is so pretty. Okay, so this color right here, automatically, I already know, perfect transition. And then this color up here, Bread Pudding, that is a beautiful, beautiful shade. These are beautiful for like fall. Oh my god. Hold on, I'm gonna swatch some of these. Okay, so here's some of the swatches on my hand. They're pretty pigmented. Some of the matte shades aren't as pigmented, but those metallic shades are definitely really gorgeous. This is a beautiful palette. I'm excited to try this. I know I've said that like a million times in this video, but that's the mood of this video. Just, I'm excited, okay? It's like perfect for fall to me. I think this is the perfect fall like palette. There's all different types of colors you can go with. Looking forward to adding this to my collection. So there you have it. That was everything inside of my winter Fabfitfun box of 2019. What I find really dope about the whole like monthly subscription box, like mystery, ooh, what's inside? I think that's pretty cool because that's when you can find hidden gems and discover new brands. If you would like to check out Fabfitfun and get $10 off your first box, then go ahead and use my code miaatylerr. I'll have it listed here. I'll also have the links and all that in the description box as well. I was pretty impressed with the stuff that I got here. I didn't really know what to expect, so now that I have an idea, I have a better understanding as to what to expect in my next box. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.